Good morning, children. Today we are doing models. See, what is model? Model verb is the type of verb that is used to indicate attitude, that is. What is the attitude in the sentence of the speaker or mood of the speaker? See models: likelihood, ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestion. All these are models. And most common models are can, could, may, might, shall, will, should, must, ought to, would, etc. Okay, children? See common features of models. Models have the following common features. Okay, what are the specialities of common models? Models are never used alone. Okay, one thing is, keep this thing in your mind, they are used alone. They are never used alone. They are always used with the main verb. Main verb, he can climb a tree. Main verb here is climb. Okay, and it is modifies the climb verb. It comes with the main verb. Okay, next, models are always followed by the base or the first form of the verb. Second condition is the model is always used with first form of the verb. See, I can play sitar, you should work hard. Okay, and see, now look at how these models, different models are used. And use ability, suggestion, request. Whenever we are using can, so it tells about ability, suggestion and request. See the example, I can play the basket. It means you are having ability to play this. Okay, next, can you make some coffee for me? This is request. Someone is requesting you, can you make some coffee for me? Next, you can call a taxi. This is suggestion. Suggestion is giving, now this is the time you can call a taxi. Okay. Now could. Use of could. Whenever past form of can, polite request and possibility, then we use could. See example, she said she could pay for as well. See, said is a verb. It is in past tense. So you are using could. She said she could pay for you as well. It means she can pay for her and for you also. Could you please lend me this book? This is polite request. Could you do me a favor? Could you help me? Then you are using could. Okay. It could be that he missed the train. Possibility. It could be, again, past mein possibility. It could be that he missed the train. That's why he has come home. That's why he's standing, because he had missed the train. Okay. Now, use of may. May is used for possibility, formal request, permission. Example, it may rain tomorrow. There is a possibility, okay, because the sky is overcast, okay, then it may rain tomorrow or today, okay. May I speak? Formal request. You have to be formal with your elders, okay, with your teachers, with your principal, okay, then you have to be formal in your language also. May I speak? This is a formal request. Permission also, okay, when you are asking permission from principal ma'am, from your teacher, so you never say na can I speak, can I come in, you say may I speak, may I come in. Okay, now might. Use, what is the use of might? Past form of may is might. Again there is a possibility. For example, he said he might change his mind. Past form of may. He said he might change his mind, means now he's not sure, he could change his mind. Okay, your purse might be in the living room. Possibility, not sure. Okay, children, see one thing more. May is used when there is a strong possibility. May is also used for possibility. Might is also used for possibility. But might is used for the weak possibility. There is a difference between may and might. Okay, see, must. What is the use of must? Where we use must? Obligation. Certainly that something is true. Certainly means surely that something is true. Then you are supposed to use must. You must obey the law. This is obligation. You must obey the traffic rule. You must walk on the zebra crossing. You must come to school in proper uniform. Okay. Next, it must be dark outside. Certainly that something is true. If you will come late, it must be dark outside. There is surety. If you are getting late, it may be dark outside. Okay. Now see. Now where we use should. Should is used for advice. Someone is advising you. Okay. You should eat green vegetable. This is advice given by your parents. You should quit junk food. You should not eat junk food. Teacher says, parent says. Okay. Then we use should. Now where is will used? Will used for future action. Must be knowing. Promises and intention. Intention means desire. Okay. See, Tom will go there tomorrow. This is a future action. Tomorrow, Tom will go there in Delhi next year, next month. This then we use will. Next, I will pick you up at around 6. Promises and intention. Okay, when someone promises you intention, desire, and time is given, I will pick you. This is a promise. Pakka, I will come and pick you up. When promise is given, then you are writing will. Okay. Now see, would. Where is the would used? You would use past form of will, polite request, offer. Okay. See, he told me he would come. This is the past tense of will. He told me. And one thing more, told is in past tense, you are writing would. You are not saying he told me he will come. He told me he would come. Okay. Next, for polite request, would you please sit down? This is a polite request. Next, would you like to have some tea? Offer. When someone is offering you, would you like to have some tea? Would you like to come with me? Would you join me? That is an offering. Someone is offering. Then you are writing would. Okay. Next. Now use shall. Where we use shall. Shall is used with the first person to express simple future. The way we were doing will also. Same way. Only when time is involved. Okay. See. We shall leave for Kolkata this evening. Okay. This is the future tense and this is a timing also. We shall leave for Kolkata this evening. Surely they are leaving for this evening. Okay. This is a future action. Okay. Next, a question and suggestion for I and we. Children, keep one thing in your mind. When someone is suggesting you and it is in the question form and I and we के साथ when it is question, so we are writing I, we के साथ shall. Let's continue. Shall we? Okay. Someone is asking you, let's continue. Shall we? Okay. Shall I cut the cake? Shall we go out? Shall I company with you? Then someone is asking, suggesting you. Okay.